Hey guys, it's XP here, we are back. So today we have another package to show off. So let's check it out. Here's the package. It's from Bangood. Let's use the scissor here. Let's put here on the side. We don't have anything, so let's move in on the side, and here we have a protection. Let's open the protection. We have a sticker with some codes. I don't know what is. And we have for LW toothbrush, its replacement, a second Oral-B tooth. So we move on the side, and here we have for the bathroom. It's a package. We can see some features here. As you can see, it's a temperature screen that you can take some info about the water, and you can see the difference between the cold and the warm water, and you can check your water that you're going to do a bath. It's very useful for the small kids, and it's one of the best features I have seen. It's very good gadget, so I believe it's worth buy it. So let's open the package to see. So let's unbox this temperature bathrobe. Let's see the box. Here we have some Chinese info, and here we have some info from the box. So let's open the box. Oh, great, awesome. We have the same picture here as the picture on the first box. So let's unbox this. Here we have the sensor and some instructions. Some instructions here on Chinese. And here we have the sensor. Let's open it. It's very luxurious as the box that we have opened, but we can see if is the right and do the job as they can see. So thanks guys for watching me. See you in the next video. We will back for the review of this temperature meter for bathroom. Thanks guys. See you in the next video.